Google Trends is a fantastic way to find trending topics on the web as well as on YouTube search. The beauty of making a video for a trending topic on YouTube is that video can go viral and grow your channel fast. In this video, you'll learn how to access Google Trends, how to find a trending topic, and how to use trend jacking to get more views. To access Google Trends, go to trends.google.com. If you click on Trending Now, you'll see all the topics that are currently trending. Click on Explore. Here you'll see the current search topics that are currently trending on the web, such as ChatGPT software. You'll also see the current search queries which are trending. If I click on ChatGPT software, I can see that the graph is really trending upwards. So it's a hot topic. I can also see the interest over time. You've also got related topics as well as related queries. If I click on the drop-down, select YouTube search, this gives me the trend data on YouTube search. Then the interest over time. Also got the interest by subregion as well as related topics and related queries. Let's enter a search term to see what's trending. I'm going to select YouTube algorithm as a search term. When I enter YouTube algorithm as a search term, I can see the interest over time as well as the interest by subregion. It also shows me related topics as well as related queries, such as why is the YouTube algorithm so bad? YouTube recommendation algorithm. How does YouTube algorithm work? How to reset your YouTube algorithm. Now I've got the search term YouTube algorithm 2024. I can see the interest over time. We can see it's still rising. Interest by subregion, related topics, and related queries. You can also compare two different search terms. So I'm going to enter YouTube algorithm, and here's the interest over the last 12 months. And the blue one, this is YouTube algorithm 2024, still rising. If we choose past 90 days, here's the interest over time for YouTube algorithm, and then the interest over time for the YouTube algorithm 2024. If I click on the drop down next to web search and choose YouTube search, I can see the interest over time, breakdown by subregion, related queries for YouTube algorithm 2024, and related queries for YouTube algorithm. Rising queries are reset YouTube algorithm, how to reset YouTube algorithm, how to reset your YouTube algorithm. If I change it to top, then I've got YouTube algorithm 2024. So I can choose how to reset your YouTube algorithm. Click on the three dots, click search it. Here's a video displayed at the top of the search results on how to reset YouTube recommendations, but not on how to reset your YouTube algorithm. So that might be a good term. Let's check a YouTube search. The top videos are how to reset YouTube recommendations, how to reset YouTube recommendation 2024, but not the title, how to reset the YouTube algorithm. There are currently no videos ranking on YouTube or Google for the keyword phrase, how to reset the YouTube algorithm, or how to reset the YouTube algorithm 2024. That could be a great trending topic to get a ton of views. Trend jacking is the art of capitalizing on trending topics to capture the attention of your audience and drive engagement. For example, when YouTube came out with YouTube Shorts, nobody was talking about how to make a YouTube Shorts from their computer. Therefore, I made a video on how to upload YouTube Shorts from PC. Because it was a trending topic, the video got a ton of views and climbed to the top of search results on YouTube Search and Google Search. The video has got over 1 million views since it was published and still ranks on the first page of YouTube and Google and still receives over 400 views every 48 hours. The video was made over 3 years ago, so it proves that a trending topic can last a long time and even generate views year after year. Another highly effective way to find trending topics on YouTube is to find hidden content gaps. Watch this video on the screen right now on how to find hidden content gaps in 2024 and beyond. You'll be glad you did.